Hello.
How's it going, Mom?
Hi.
Having a day. My tire blew. Locked my damn keys in the car.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
A lot of shit.
Yeah, it's one of those days. It's just, they're right there in the ignition. Everything's locked.
All right. Amazon.
And it records and sends it to your phone.
Yes. Like a memory. Got a memory.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
California.
Yeah. I've been out here 3 years so far.
2 years.
Make it look easy.
No.